Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Today we have made it to May the 25th of 2025. We are on day number 46 of this MLGS Secret Challenge, day 46. And if you guys have not been following these videos, please go back and watch the first video, and just kind of get up to speed on what we're doing here. Okay. And if you're new to this channel, and again, new to this video, what we are doing is we're shooting a 1 year challenge. Okay. We're going to shoot 365 days of one offer on ClickBank. We're going to use the MLGS secret traffic. We're going to put those together and we're going to somehow see if we can earn a full-time income doing it. Okay. So, what I'm gonna do is go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to send out an email in the MileyGen secret system, and then I'll show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. All right, guys. So let's go ahead and hop right to it. All right. So if you guys do not know what MileyGen Secret is, MileyGen Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. So every time you come into your back office, you're going to see a brand new 100 or 200 business opportunity leads every single day. These people are looking for ways to earn income online. All right. So every time we send out an email, our prospect is going to review it, and then if they're interested in the offer, they'll sign up, and then eventually they'll join the program. Okay, so a little bit about myself. I've been with My Lead Gen Secret over a few years now. I totally love the service. I've promoted so many different offers to this to the traffic, and I can tell you that it does work. It does convert, okay? But I do want to say that it is cold traffic, okay? These leads have to get warmed up to you. You have to send emails over and over and over again for people to start to realize who you are and to trust you, okay? And then once they start trusting you, they'll start checking you out, all right? So with My Lead Gen Secret, you're going to be able to send out one email every single day, okay? Every 24 hours, you're going to be able to send out one email. Okay, and then this list gets up to thousands and thousands and thousands of people. Okay, so if you want to get started, I did leave a link below this video. Okay, in this description tab, and it's going to be this link right here, guys. All right, the MLGS True Freedom link. All right, so just click on that, and it's going to take you to this page. You want to sign up, put in your information, and you pay your one-time $60 charge, and then $30 a month to keep the service. Okay, it's very inexpensive to keep the service. All right, so and what you're getting in return is thousands of leads every single month that you can promote offers to, whatever offers that you want to promote. You can promote those offers and get results from it. Okay. So the back office guys, if you guys got signed up, is going to look exactly like this. Okay. Only thing different is going to be maybe the emails that you're sending out. Okay. I've already sent out my email for today. But the only thing different, it will be the emails that you sent out. Okay. So if you guys go here to leads, this just show you the leads that are coming in. This is one of my last accounts. Okay, so right now I'm getting 100 leads per day from that. Okay, and then if you go here to the master email swipes, these are additional emails that you're going to be able to purchase if you want to purchase additional emails. Okay, and it does cost one-time charge of $30 to purchase those emails, and you can use those emails for whatever program that you want to use. They convert for pretty much any business opportunity, which is pretty awesome. Okay, but for the sake of this video, we're just going to be using the free email swipes from the vendor. Okay. The mailing system, this is where you're going to hang out at, guys. This is where you're going to do all of the business at, is in the mailing system. This is where you're going to send out all your emails, okay? So if you guys ever sent out an email to like Gmail or Hotmail or Yahoo, whatever, if you ever sent out an email before, you're going to be able to do this method pretty easy because it's the same type of deal, okay? There's a subject line that you put in, and then also there is a body text that you got to put in as well, okay? So let's go ahead and go over here to the offer that we're going to be promoting, okay, which is called Social Sales Rep through ClickBank, okay, which is live chat jobs. If you guys don't know, that's what it will say in ClickBank, okay, it's live chat jobs, but it's the name of the company is called Social Sales Rep, all right. So what we would do is go to that offer, and it's going to be in the e-business, e-marketing niche, just so you know, on ClickBank. Okay, I just have the link already pulled up and ready to go for you. So what you would do is go over here to the email swipes. Okay. And then once you go to the email swipes, you want to come down here to the swipes. Okay. Okay. And we're going to promote all 20 of these. And then we're going to start back over and keep promoting them over and over and over again. Okay. And that's how easy it is, guys. And once you get used to doing this, guys, it's going to be super easy to do. Now, after you send your first 20, what you're going to be able to do is you're going to be able to come here where it says load, and you're going to see all 20 emails in this drop down, and you can just start back at the first email, click on that email, and then click load. And what's going to happen, it's going to load up that email, so you don't really have to copy and paste anymore. You can just come down here, click on perfect timing, and then click on send, because the email is already in there from before. So you can just do that over and over and over again, and that'll cut down the time. I mean, you may get through these accounts in like 5 or 10 minutes. That means that easy, guys. Okay. So let's go ahead and grab, but I'm gonna manually show you guys how to do it, just in case you've never seen this video before. But I'm gonna manually show you how to do it. So let's go ahead and go here. Let's see here. Let's go ahead and go to email number 3. Let's just take this subject, Control C, come over here to the mailing system, and then we want to just Control V. Boom. That's going to be our subject line. And then you want to come back here, okay, to the offer, and we want to grab this body of text here. Okay, grab all of that, and then boom, Control C, come back over here, and then come down here to the body of this, and then we just want to Control A, and then Control V. Okay, that easy to do. We want to take out where it says signature, either put in your name or management, whichever one. Okay. And where it says hi name, we want to put in somebody else's, not somebody else's name, but we want to put in the code so it addresses our prospect by their name. Okay. So if you come here where it says hi name, okay, just take that. Control V. So that way, when this email goes out, it says, hi, John, hi, Jermaine, whatever. Okay. And then it gets right to the point. All right. So what you want to do is come here. And what I like to do where it says click here, instead of it just clicking here, I want to take just this whole sentence right here and just make that a clickable link. So you come here to the link tab, click on that, and then we want to come down here to this affiliate link. This is your personalized affiliate link that goes with this email. So you want to take this and Control C. And then right here, as you can see where it says your ClickBank affiliate ID, you want to put in your ClickBank affiliate ID, okay? That's how you're going to get the credit when it comes to you sending these emails out, okay? So let's go ahead and go here, Control V, and then let's go ahead and take this out, and let's put in your affiliate name, okay? No, don't put in mine, but put in yours, okay? So that way you get the credit. And then boom, what that does, let's Control A, either use 16 or 18. Okay, and what that does is makes it a lot bigger. Okay. Now, this right here looks like a really good email. We're addressing our prospect by their first name. Okay. As you can see, we got our link right here, our clickable link. And then you come down here at the bottom and just click on either submit or preview. Okay. So preview, you want to click on preview, and then it'll pull the email up in real time, and then you can see it, and you'll be able to click on this link to make sure it does work and it goes to your affiliate page. That's very important that you do that. Okay. So let's go ahead and send this email off. So we would just click send. Boom, it's done. That's it, guys. That's how easy it is to send out an email in the MyLegion secret system. If you're someone looking for a way to earn extra income, maybe to pay a light bill, maybe pay your, gas bill, or put groceries on the table for your family. Maybe you need to help with a car payment or a mortgage, if you got a mortgage, or rent that you want paid. Okay. This is going to allow you to have that extra income to be able to put towards those bills and to be able to help you guys out. Okay. So, this is the reason why I created this brand new ClickBank account. Okay. Recently, just to show you guys how easy it is to earn the extra income online. So there's no excuses. Okay. Me, I have multiple ClickBank accounts, but I didn't want to show you the back office of my other accounts, because you won't get an idea, of how to do this from scratch. If you see my back office, you're going to think, oh, okay, well, he's been making money, or he's been doing this. He's been had these accounts. Okay. I created this brand new ClickBank account, I believe maybe in March, at the end of March. Okay. And then I started this challenge shortly after. Okay. Getting everything ready for you guys. And then now I'm just kind of doing everything in real time. Just to show you I'm making money right in front of your eyes with this offer. Okay. Now I'm going to tell you a little secret here. The reason why I'm promoting this offer, this right here, this live chat jobs, and I'll show you real quick why I'm promoting it. Let's go ahead and go over here. And I'm getting ready to show you the results from the email that we sent out last night. So the reason why I am promoting this offer is because it has a rebill on it, guys. Okay, it has a rebill of $29.47, and us as members, affiliate marketers promoting this program, you're going to get 85%, 75 to 85% commissions on each and every sale. So each and every rebill, this prospect signs up for a free dollar trial. Okay, once they and we don't get paid off the dollar trial. Okay, 3 days later we get 80% or 75 to 85% of this $29, and we're going to earn $20. Okay, now check that out. Right, so we'll earn $20 in the change from that from this offer. Now next month at the same time that you receive the commission, you're going to get a rebill of another $20. Okay. And the month after that, that same customer, you're going to get another rebill on that same day. Okay. So these $20 payments are going to start stacking on top of each other. All right. And that's what we want. And we're going to get multiple people. The whole goal here, guys, is to get multiple people signing up and paying their $20 every single month. Okay. So that way, come month, right now we're at like a month and a half in this, we're on day 46. So come, our fourth and fifth month, you're going to start seeing these payments stack on top of each other. And we're going to have, $40 days, $60 days, $80 days, $100 days. Okay. So these payments will stack on top of each other. Okay. And this is why the only reason why I'm promoting this offer. Now, you don't have to promote this offer. The reason I'm doing it because it has a residual billing effect. Okay. So that means we get paid, we do the work one time and we get paid over and over and over and over and over again. Right. So this stuff is very powerful, guys. Let's go ahead and go over back to, we did send out an email yesterday, and yesterday was Saturday. Okay. And I know it's pretty slow yesterday. So let's go ahead and go to reporting. Today's the 25th of May. Okay. We did get 982 hops and then 654 unique hops. Okay. Which is really good. Unfortunately, we didn't get any order form impressions. Okay. No one went to the checkout page. We didn't get any initial sales. And this is what I'm looking for. Okay. And then we haven't got any rebills yet. Now, the rebills, just because we have completed that first 30 days, we're going to be getting those rebills from those people that signed up with us the first 30 days that we started promoting this offer. Okay, so we're going to be seeing more rebills come pretty quickly. Okay, and we've already been seeing them. Okay, we've already been collecting those as well. Now, tomorrow, we didn't get any initial sales yet, but tomorrow, I believe, I'm going to be looking for some kind of initial sale. Okay. This is the most important thing, is to get these every single day. And that's our whole goal, is to get those every day. Now, in the beginning, you're not going to, you're just not going to be getting sales like that right off the bat. Now, you could earn a few here and there. Okay. Maybe it could start taking off for you. Maybe your first week, maybe your first few weeks. Okay. Maybe it take a little bit longer. Okay. Maybe may take a month. Okay. Maybe it may take 2 or 3 months, maybe even 6 months before you start seeing that climb and you start seeing the results start to really take off for you. Okay. And that's one thing about this, guys. This is something that you have to stick with. Okay. This is not some lottery ticket where you're just going to miraculously put your money in the machine and press a couple buttons and then you're going to be making $50,000 next week or that night. Okay. It just doesn't happen that way, guys. This is something that you're going to have to put work into, and you're going to have to commit to doing. Okay. And the thing about me, when I first started, I didn't see any type of success. It took months in order for me to start seeing this thing start to rise. Okay. So I'm just telling you now, get in it. Okay, get signed up, get multiple accounts. Okay, get more than one. Okay, that way you can see your results go a lot faster. All right. But I did want to show you how to send out an email today, which I did, which is pretty easy to do. And then I showed you the results from yesterday's email. It's been slow on like maybe Saturdays and Sundays. It's just been slow, a little bit slower lately during the week. It seems like that's when I've been seeing all the sales and stuff like that come through. But like I said, once we get to a point where we're, months into this thing, we will start seeing more consistent sales coming in every single day. And even if we're not getting the initial sales, we'll be getting those rebills, right? From every month that people are staying with the program, right? But I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. I sent out my emails tonight. I'm anxious to see if we got anything tomorrow. Okay. So we're going to come back here tomorrow. I know tomorrow's Memorial's Day. Okay. But we're going to come back here tomorrow and we're going to shoot a video and we're going to check those results to see how we did. So stay tuned. Go ahead and subscribe to this channel so you don't miss any of these videos. This is going to be a awesome series, guys. There's a lot of cool stuff that I'm going to be showing you down the road. Okay. While we're in this, we got a whole 365 days to come in and we're just getting started, guys. We haven't even scratched the surface yet. So stick with me, hit the like button, comment below, let me know what you think about this stuff. And I look forward to seeing you guys tomorrow right here at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.